How do I protect my intellectual property? Well, the first thing is probably to understand what intellectual property is. And intellectual property is really like a rainbow. And with a rainbow, when it's all together, you have white light. When you put the white light through a prism, you break it to its constituent elements. And we do the same thing with intellectual property. So as you put through intellectual property the white light of the bundle of rights through the prism, you break it into patents, trademark, copyright, registered design, confidential information. Essentially, there are a few others. Take, for example, Star Wars, the movie. When you see the entire movie, there will be copyright in the performances of the actors, there's copyright in the overall film, there's the copyright of the script. So you have copyright. You also have trademarks. The name Star Wars has been trademarked. The characters through the character merchandising have their own trademarks. Luke Skywalker, Obi-Wan Kenobi, even the planets, Princess Leia. You also have patents, although you don't see those, because Star Wars was so spectacular when it first hit the movie screens because of the patented technology in the sci-fi and special effects that George Lucas had produced. So the first thing you need to do to protect your intellectual property is to know which of the constituent elements you have. Obviously, the more parts of the element you have, the better will be your protection over the bundle of rights that you have, which was what we call intellectual property.